Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trim videos in CapCut. So here I've already added a 12-second video into my CapCut and I want to trim it to around 6 seconds, let's say. And I want to trim the beginning of the video. So what you need to do, just click on the video here on the timeline, and then you can see at the start there is a white box which shown at the start of the video. Just drag it to the right to trim it, and the video duration will slowly reducing like this. Okay, I'm going to trim it until here, and the rest of them I'm going to trim the end of the video. You can just do the same, just drag the end of the video to the left like this, and you are done. Now my video has shortened into 6 seconds video. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.